Which of the following is the most correct definition of grid computing? Option A. Grid computing refers to the ability to run computers off a power grid. Option B. Grid computing refers to the aggregation of multiple, distributed computing resources, making them function as a single computing resource with respect to a particular computational task. Option C. Grid computing refers to the vertical scaling of resources to add more capacity to the infrastructure. Option D. Grid computing allows computing resources to be operated and managed independently, creating a distributed architecture. The correct answer is option D. Which statement is true with respect to metadata repository and asset repository? Option A. Metadata repository manages the data about the assets, and asset repository stores the payload of the assets. Option B. Asset repository manages the data about the assets, and metadata repository stores the payload of the assets. Option C. Metadata repository stores everything related to the assets, including metadata and payload. Option D. Asset repository stores everything related to the assets, including metadata and payload. The correct answer is option A. What are the key differentiating characteristics of Oracle Reference Architecture user interaction? Option A. Aura UI is application-focused, enabling effective integration of content and application functionality. Option B. Aura UI is user-centric, providing a feature-rich, intuitive human interface. Option C. Aura UI provides a single unified interface regardless of the complexity of underlying applications. Option D. Aura UI standardizes on a single technology, simplifying development. Option E. Aura UI replaces portal platforms for collaboration. The correct answer is option B. What does the identity asserter do in the G framework? Option A. It informs the container of the client identity of an inbound request. Option B. It inserts identity into web service credentials used for outbound service requests. Option C. It determines a user's identity based on a given set of security roles and asserts it to the container. Option D. It resolves identity conflicts when multiple dApps are used. The correct answer is option B.